If you've been fortunate enough to visit, you already know. You know her raw beauty, a beauty so magnificent it serves as a magnet to the soul. She keeps drawing you back to once again experience her welcome, her pristine wilderness and her captivating lifestyle. Whistler, a place like no other. Travel from sea to sky, into the coast mountains, journey amongst lakes, forests, and rivers, and into the shimmering Whistler Valley. This is the land of Olympians and year-round recreation, and home to an abundance of natural riches. Here you can breathe in the purest alpine air, enjoy endless panoramic views, and watch the morning fog dance as the rising sun slowly gives light to this majestic valley. Within the Whistler Valley, you will find freshwater lakes connected by snaking rivers and creeks, championship golf courses, and hiking that will take your breath away. A biking mecca for both families and adrenaline junkies exploring the endless single-track trails. And during the winter, there's Whistler and Blackcomb Mountains, with over 8,000 acres of rideable terrain and typically up to 40 feet of snow. Terrain is so inspiring, so magical, that the ski trails have names such as Angel Dust, Seventh Heaven, and Kaleidoscope. The Whistler lifestyle is so versatile you can ski a glacier in the morning, hit the fairways by mid-afternoon, before finishing your day watching a setting sun from a beach by the lake. And then there's Whistler Village. Here you can learn from the indigenous peoples at the inspiring Squamish-Lillooet Cultural Centre. Visit the Audain Art Museum and meander the pedestrian-only village stroll. After a day on the slopes, enjoy the casual après life or dine in one of the many fine restaurants. Complementing all that Whistler has to offer are some of the finest accommodations and residential properties in the world. Throughout the valley and climbing the lower slopes, you will see architectural styles that are reflective of the natural surroundings. Homes with spectacular vistas and all the amenities and comforts to ensure a lifetime of family memories. From slopeside apartments to sprawling mountain estates, Whistler has something for everyone. Whistler, a place like no other.